Hello and welcome to Waltz seminar named Basic and Beyond. Idea is to show how we can build advanced figures from basic figures which are described in technique books. And today we will look at Tumble Turn with reverse pivot and Telemark to Oversway. And now please welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija. And we start with Tumble Turn. Tumble Turn consists of feather finish and reverse pivot. So man goes back to side, forward outside partner, then forward and reverse pivot. And now we will add one more reverse pivot. So we go back to side, forward outside partner, forward pivot, back and pivot. Now let's look at Andrejs and Kornelija. They will dance Tumble Turn and also Tumble Turn with reverse pivot. So first we will look at Tumble Turn. And 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Now let's look from opposite angle. And 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Now let's add one reverse pivot and it's called Tumble Turn with reverse pivot. Yeah, from this angle. And 1, 2 and 3 and again. And 1, 2 and pivot, pivot. After pivot we will continue with Telemark to Oversway. So man starts with left foot forward, to side around lady's heel turn and to side in promenade, and we can continue with line figures. So now we will see Tumble Turn with extra pivot and then Telemark to Oversway. And 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. So Telemark to sway and then Throwaway Oversway. And you can continue with different line figures there. Okay, let's do again. So we dance Tumble Turn with extra pivot, Telemark to sway and then Throwaway Oversway, and we can continue with different improvisations. And now from opposite angle with teaching count. And 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And as introduction to this figure we can dance turning lock to promenade position, and from promenade we can dance quick open reverse turn. So we dance turning lock to promenade position, and from promenade 2 steps with heel lead, then to side and back in CBMP. Lady starts turning lock with left foot with toe. So lock step, brush to promenade, then forward in promenade, then she turns to side and then to side and forward outside partner. Again, man steps, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. One and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now we put together whole routine, turning lock to promenade position, then quick open reverse from promenade position, tumble turn with extra pivot, telemark to sway and throwaway oversway. So we start with turning lock to promenade position, quick open reverse from promenade position, tumble turn with extra pivot, telemark and throwaway oversway. Very good. And from opposite angle with teaching count. One and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, and they danced outside the frame, but now whole routine to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Andrejs and Kornelija. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal experience with me with Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.